Hello everyone. Please like and share and subscribe my channel for learning more easiest methods to learn various concepts of economics. Today I will explain you here the phases of circular flow of income. Yesterday we have discussed about the circular flow of income. Circular flow means it includes the transactions between two sectors, that is firms and household. What is the work of firm here? In this circular system, firm used to produce various goods and services with the help of household factors. Household factors include various factors just like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. And this process goes on in a circular motion. So that is known as circular flow of income. Today we have to discuss about the phases of circular flow of income. Here are three phases of circular flow of income. Okay, first one is generation phase. First one is generation phase. Generation phase. In this phase, firms used to produce goods and services with the help of factor services. What are the factor services? As I told you earlier, that is, factor services are land, labor, capital, and owner. Or in other words, you can say that entrepreneur. Okay? Now, after the production of goods and services, in this phase, what happens? Various factors from households are used by the firm to produce goods and services. Now, then after come the second phase. That is, second phase is distribution phase. Second phase is distribution phase. In this phase, whatever the factor services is used by the firm is going to be paid by their incomes. Likewise, I told you in my earlier video that for land, what is the distribution of income goes to? That is rent. For labor, it is wages or salaries. Likewise, for capital, it is interest. And for owner or entrepreneur, it is profit. So when whatever the income came by the sale of goods and produced by the firm, it is going to be distributed among various factors of production like land, rent. For labor, it is wages and salaries. Capital, it is interest, and owner, it is profit. Now the question appears, what is different between wages and salaries? Then, my dear friends, I would like to explain you that wages are given on the daily basis. It means wages are irregular. Irregular means if the person hasn't worked, then he is going to get wages. If he is not regular, then he is not going to get the wages. So it is irregular in nature and occurs on daily basis. Occurs on daily basis. Now what is salaries? Salaries are the regular. These are for the regular employees. Okay. For salaries, if the person is working for whole month and at the last of the month he is going or she is going to get the salary, get the amount of award of their services, that is known as salaries. Now then third phase is deposition phase. Disposition phase. Disposition means collection of income. Now we will try to understand from the first phase, that is that is generation phase, then distribution, and then disposition. All the activities are going to be done between firms and household. In the first phase, firm use various factor of production from the household. Then here the second phase come. Then firm used to distribute the income among various factor of production, that is land, labor, capital and owner. Then after these household factors going to use all the income for the consumption purpose. It means if we talk about labor, he get wages or salaries, then he is going to use that salaries in the consumption of the commodities which is produced by the firm. Now here came the disposition phase. In this phase, consumer used to, or various factor of production used to spend their income on the various goods produced by the firm. So these three phases goes on repeating and results in circular flow of income. So here this is the explanation of various phases of circular flow of income. Now in the next video we will discuss about the next topic, that is stock and flow. Thank you and have a good day.